What's up, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. If you are a marketer out there that's struggling to get leads and to get those leads and turn them into sales, possible sales, and you already know that the email, the money is in the list. You know what I'm saying? And I came across this platform some time ago, and I was off of it for a while because I was finding out other marketing ways at the time, but I had came right back to this particular website, and the site is called Referral Frenzy. Now, Referral Frenzy is a Safelists. And basically what Safelists is it's a site where you can mail out a lot of emails to other marketers, and you can earn credits by viewing other marketers' business opportunities. So a lot of times you may see in your emails, a lot of emails that's sent to you, you may see a lot of people sending out their opportunity, and you getting a lot of emails. And that's because people are sending out their biz ops. So you, in a sense, can collect these type of credits so you could be able to send out mailers also, and also for other people to see your business opportunity. So that's what comes to Referral Frenzy, and that can help you out with that. And they got a lot of features on this platform that you guys can check out. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you all these different types of mailers that I'm a part of. Now, everything that you see checked, these are the different sites of mailers, because each one has their own site of mailers. And I'm going to click one so you can see an example. So when you click one, you can see right here. You see Ad Librium mailer. You sign up right here, and they have different types of bonuses, for signing up with these different types of Safelists. And they may have some promotional sales and things like that you can use to boost your credits and get more eyeballs on your site. So that's one way. I'm gonna show you another one. Ads. You see this right here? Ads infantry. You sign up right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let y'all know something. Make sure when y'all do get into these different ad mailers, have a new email that you're gonna be using for these emails, because you're gonna be getting tons and tons of emails daily into your email list, your email. So you're gonna see this a lot. So, and a lot of these emails that comes in, you're going to be seeing a lot where you can earn credits for those emails. So I'm going to show you how it all look. You're going to be flooded with emails, daily emails. So let me go here, back, see if I can find it. I think I got rid of it. That's one of my other emails. Okay. So you can see right here, tons and tons of emails. These is a lot of emails that you get. This is daily, and this stack up over time. And what you're going to do is you're going to go right in the back, because these are the mailers that you have applied for. You're going to go right here in the back, and you're going to just go down at the bottom, and you're going to click on this link, and it's going to redirect you to the site where you can earn your credits. See, this is an example. And you see here's the timer. The timer goes off. And some of them, they may have where you have to match a number or a picture. You see right here? This is where you have to match the picture. You see it says click the person. So I'm going to click the person, and I just earned 10 credits. So when I head back over to here, it's going to be added to 10. When you refresh, the 10 credits is going to be added. These are the credit that I have earned for each one. So I'm able to send out, and depending on how many you can send out, because each ad mailer is different, and you can probably only send certain ones out per day, but as long as you have a lot of credits, you're able to send all of these mailers. Now, it's pretty much, if you on, I'm on the paid membership, so pretty much I can send them all in one time, but it's going to be very, very time consuming once you send them, you know, one by one, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes it may take you a week or so to get to sign up for all these ad mailers. And once you sign up to all these ad mailers, you are able to send your mailers to each one of them. And it's about 119, 20 of them. You could use HTML. You know, if you got HTML mailers that you want to send out. So, you know, you can do all this daily. And this is what helps you get more and more leads to your opportunity. Now, I want to tell y'all this. I'm going to be transparent. Do your best to market tools rather than your business, because a lot of people market their business opportunities. And I'm going to have in the link in the description also in this video where, you know, it's kind of like Hercules Plus as well, because they traffic exchanges. So that link is also in the description of this video. Yeah, you want to be able to market to you know, tools like traffic tools, things that can help people, give them value, you know. And then you may have a lot more people to look into your stuff, because this is dealing with Safelists, you know what I'm saying, where, you know, a lot of people is free, you know, on here. So you don't want to be looked at as a spammer, you know what I'm saying, on these sites. So it's gonna be a lot of people that's on these free opportunities. So you want to make sure you upgrade so you can be able to send, you know, to cut down that time. Send one by one, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to get started with Referral Frenzy and help out your, you know, to get eyeballs into your site, to get that traffic and hopefully turn to sales if you be consistent, the link in the description will be below. If this video done some good to you and helped you out, why don't you give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments in the comment section below for you know, for more upcoming videos, tips and tricks and tutorials that I can help you guys with. Also, you can, you know, hit me up on social media if you have any questions or concerns about this platform. All right. So once again, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.